Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Sennheiser HD250BT wireless headphones. Now, this is the front side of the packaging where we have a very minimalist design. You can see what the product looks like. And aside from the Sennheiser branding as well as the name of the product, we don't have any other information save for the battery life, which for the HD250BT, once properly charged, you can get up to 25 hours. On the left side, you have some mention regarding the Sennheiser Smart Control app, which can be downloaded from either App Store. Then you have the manufacturer's contact information, package contents, whereas on the right-hand side, you have mention of the algorithms which are being used via Bluetooth for channeling the wireless audio. And in this case, it is using Qualcomm's aptX technology and aptX low latency. Qualcomm's aptX technology and aptX low latency technology, both of which are very good. Then at the top, you have a little QR code, which is basically part of their authenticity program. In order for you to identify whether this product is genuine or not, you can scan this little QR code. At the back side of the packaging, you can see again mention of the battery life, which is up to 25 hours. Then you have a little note stating that high quality wireless audio with dynamic bass, that is the sound signature, is inspired by DJs. So you also know the kind of folks for which this product is designed. Then we have another note for the aptX and aptX low latency codecs that is supported by this headphone. And along with that, you also have SBC as well as AAC. There's nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom. So we'll go ahead with the unboxing. So first is the charging cable, which in this case happens to be a USB Type-C cable, and it's also quite thick and rigid. Cable length is about 50 centimeters or so. And you've got the Type-C interface on one end and a USB Type-A interface on the other. Then you've got the safety guide for the HD250BT. Always give it a read so you understand exactly what all concerns might arise, if at all. Then you've got a little note for compliance. This is to do with the frequency bands that it is using and the transmit power for which it is rated. This is necessary for wireless devices. Then you've got the quick start guide. Always read through the quick start guide to understand what all features your device has and how you can go about using it properly. And lastly, we have the earphones. These are obviously adjustable, so you can adjust them to fit whatever size you are comfortable with. The little dots or other protrusions on the inside to identify the left-hand side. Then the earcups have cushioning. There are no controls or interfaces on the left earcup, whereas the right earcup has your volume controls, your multifunction button, as well as the port for recharging the headphones. Then there's a little inlet at the bottom for the microphone as well. So that's it for the unboxing of the HD250BT wireless headphones by Sennheiser. Thank you for watching.